Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Vivo Y21 dual camera system from backside, 13 megapixels main camera with 2 megapixels macro camera having LED flashlight, 8 megapixels front selfie camera with face beauty and super HDR for night scans of rear camera, 4GB plus 1GB extended RAM with 64GB ROM storage capacity, 5000 mAh large battery capacity with 18 watt fast charging rate, LCD type HD display with eye protection mode filters, side mounted fingerprint scanner with face wag, Android 11 with Fun Touch operating system OS 11.1 UI, Helio P35 processor with multi-turbo 5.0 having ultra gaming mode, 6.51 inches diagonal screen size with 182 gram weight, available in two colors metallic blue, diamond blue. Price in Pakistani market is 27,000 rupees only. Here is other countries price list. To get latest videos about mobile phones, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.